how to replace the fuel filter in your 1994 to 96 Chevy Caprice, Impala SS, Buick RoadMaster, and Cadillac Fleetwood. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I'm going to be replacing the fuel filter on this 95 Cadillac Fleetwood. The fuel filter is located inside the frame in front of the driver's side rear tire. This is what it looks like. This is the replacement. Use a 13mm socket and ratchet to loosen and remove the bolt. Lower the filter down. Press the plastic fuel line clips and disconnect the fuel filter from the fuel lines. Carefully remove the plastic fuel line clips from the old filter and install them on the new filter. Snap the fuel lines onto the filter. Install the 13mm bolt and tighten with your socket and ratchet. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.